It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, an auto express window, child lock button, and the power liftgate button. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior with Kalahari stitching in the seats. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, place to store your sunglasses. And we've also got OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. Far left, engine push start button. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. Park reverse drive. USB auxiliary and power plug-ins. No slip matting. Cup holders. Heated front seats. Hill descent control. Lane departure alert. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain, we've got the darkened grille, LED headlamps, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, blacked out side mirrors and roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, blacked out Terrain and elevation badging down the side. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the rear window wiper and the power liftgate. We're going to pop it open using our key fob, pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a deeper storage pocket down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans and 2 USB ports. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.